It's pumpkin spice season, and I'm just gonna admit it right outright. I love pumpkin. Now, I don't go and stand in line for that famous latte, but I am all about making pumpkin flavored treats at my house. And of course, one of the things that I love about pumpkin is that it is so easy to make healthy baked goods with pumpkin because it adds moisture. And so today I'm going to show you how to hack a seasonal classic and turn it paleo. Today we are making chocolate covered pumpkin spice donuts. Totally paleo, you guys. Stick around for this one.
Get out, get away.
I am not a trained chef, but I am a full-time foodie photographer to be exact. I've created a six-figure career from my kitchen table. Come on into my studio where we'll cook not just good food, but gorgeous food. I'm Brooke Lark, and this is how to cook like a food stylist. Anytime you're making a paleo baked good, you can pull together a bunch of different flours and mix up a paleo flour that is equivalent to white flour, or you can just simplify the whole process and go Bob's Red Mill. And that's what we're gonna do today. Instead of making a really long list of ingredients, this is a super simple recipe made even more simple by Bob's Red Mill baking powder. Listen to what's in it. Almond flour, arrowroot starch, organic coconut flour, and tapioca flour. They have done all of the work here for you. It's pre-measured, it's pre-mixed, it's absolutely beautiful, and it makes a killer pumpkin donut. So let's start. To start, you'll need Bob's Red Mill Paleo baking flour, organic coconut sugar, baking soda, pumpkin pie spice, 3 eggs, vanilla extract, pumpkin puree, salt, and almond milk. With all of the ingredients in your bowl, we're going to go ahead and mix them up with a stand mixer using the whisk attachment just until all of the ingredients are well mixed. Then I'm going to transfer everything into a gallon-sized Ziploc bag and actually pipe the donuts so that I get a really nice shape and they fit perfectly into a donut pan. I love these donut pans because they make it so easy to bake up donuts without all of that extra frying fat that you used to have to use when you were making donuts at home. With donuts out of the oven, go ahead and let them cool for just a minute before we glaze them with the chocolate. And now it's time to dip. Flip those donuts upside down, give them a little bath in your chocolate mixture, and you can decorate these anyway, but of course to keep them super paleo, I'm gonna omit the sprinkles and decorate them with some crushed nuts. I absolutely love the look here, and for anyone sticking to a diet, you're gonna love that this is paleo from start to finish. All right, now for the best part, the taste test. And of course, I have a cup of coffee because what would a donut be without a little bit of coffee to dip in? Here we go. Pumpkin-y, that little bit of chocolate on top. They really taste like a pumpkin cookie that has been smashed into a really tender, soft donut. And of course, that chocolate topping. I think I like it better than when you have like chocolate chips in the middle, because you get that little chocolate at the top and then all of that pumpkin on the bottom. You guys, it is pumpkin spice season and you need to make this to celebrate. Okay, so what are you doing this Saturday? I'll tell you what, you're staying inside, you're giving yourself a day off, you're popping on your slippers, you're heading to the kitchen, and you are baking. You're gonna make your kitchen smell so good, all pumpkin-y and spicy. It's gonna smell like autumn, and it's all gonna smell like autumn thanks to Bob's Red Mill. Happy day, you guys. Who do you like to buy your paleo baking flour from?